Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best highlighters available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Maybelline Highlighter. You can create a chrome effect with Maybelline's metallic highlighting powder. It features a blend of illuminating pearl pigments and metallic chrome sheen. This highlighter powder drenches skin in a melted metallic finish. At number 6 we have LOreal Highlighter. The collection of 4 highlighting powders in one makeup kit instantly awakens complexion. The layer mix and match shades to create a multi-dimensional glow or wear them separately for a natural illuminated look. It has 2 universal shades for all skin tones. At number 5 we have LOreal Highlighter. You can bring on a brighter complexion by creating a glowing effect with the highlighter. It highlights your best features as the silky domes of powder drenches the skin in a subtle luminescent finish. The highlighter is available in a variety of shades to choose from. This mineral oil-free and paraben-free highlighter adds a gentle glow to skin that's creating youthful luminosity. At number 4 we have LZ Highlighter. The highlight powder is excellent and no pores, which is natural and not ostentatious, can create a 3-dimensional makeup. The highlighter palettes have light and fancy packaging, easy to carry and suit for various occasions. The light gold and polarized pink purple that to cater your skin tones. At number 3 we have Lucia Highlighter. This highlighter powder has a super silky soft texture. The light naturally hits your face and achieve that seamless coverage and structure without overly dramatic or thick. By using the powder brush or your finger directly, lightly dust highlighter contour powder on your cheekbones and anywhere you want to add a glow. At number 2 we have Only Better Highlighter. This face highlighter comes from natural, cruelty-free, organic and vegan. The makeup highlighter palette built-in mirror makes it much convenient for ladies to refine their makeup whenever and wherever they like. This long-lasting shimmer highlighter makeup meets your different requires. And perfect for professional daily working, party makeup, smoky makeup or casual makeup. The makeup gift also can be a best gift for your friends. At number 1 we have Blibbling Highlighter. It is easy to apply and color. By using your finger directly, lightly dust highlighter contour powder on or anywhere you want to add a glow. That easily illuminator makeup instantly present a charming makeup and long-lasting without losing the exquisite packaging, which is very suitable as a gift to a close friend. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best highlighters for your need.